Hey, it's Mark at Huntley Motor World here. I've got my ATC models in stock right now. They just arrived today. This is a 24 footer. This is the 300 series. It's got the Extreme Escape Package. Fender comes off, door opens up. Makes it real easy to get out of a car. It's got the Torsion Axles, radial tires, aluminum wheels, spring assisted ramp door. That's a 4,000 pound rated ramp door. Screwless aluminum sides. 5,000 pound D-rings. Man door on the driver's side. Like I said, this is a 300 series. It's got the spread axle. RV lock on the side door. It's all 16-inch on centers. It's got a roof vent. There's that Extreme Escape door. Sharp trailer. Come out and check these out. We're here we're closed Sundays and Mondays for winter hours. We're here Tuesday through Saturday till 4 o'clock during the week, and then Saturday we're here till 2 o'clock. Come check us out, Huntley Motor World.